Understanding the phrase, back to square one. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, back to square one. This is a common phrase in English, often used in conversations and writings. If you're learning English, understanding such phrases can add depth to your language skills. So, let's dive in and find out what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively. Back to square one is an idiomatic expression. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that's different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. This phrase means returning to the starting point of something after an attempt to do it has failed. It's often used when talking about projects, plans, or activities that didn't go as planned, and now one has to start over. Understanding the origin of an idiom can often help remember its meaning. The exact origin of back to square one isn't certain, but there are a couple of popular theories. One theory suggests it comes from board games like Snakes and Ladders, where a player might have to go back to the first square due to an unlucky roll. Another theory ties it to broadcasting, specifically football, soccer, radio broadcasts in the UK, where the field was divided into imaginary squares for easier description, and square one referred to the goalkeeper's area. Now, let's look at how to use back to square one in sentences. 1. After the client rejected our proposal, we were back to square one. 2. The experiment didn't yield the expected results, so it's back to square one for the research team. 3. If this plan doesn't work, we'll be back to square one. These examples show the phrase in context, emphasizing its use in scenarios of restarting or redoing something. There are other expressions in English that convey a similar meaning. For instance, starting from scratch, going back to the drawing board. These phrases can be used interchangeably with back to square one in many contexts. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, back to square one. Remember, idioms like this can add flavor and depth to your English. Don't hesitate to use them in your conversations or writings. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.